and my dear friends. Welcome to this good afternoon, everybody. And today I'm extremely honored to have the opportunity of standing here to address you all in the prestigious moment when our company has organized the SMBT organized the SMBT tournament of the for the badminton for 2040, in which all the group companies have participated, and I guess it was held very successfully also. The tournament was started, just as an update, the tournament started on 11th of February, and today the final matches were played. In this tournament, all the group companies participated, and overall 28 matches were played in singles and doubles category. And I think the matches were held in very caring manner. I would also like to thank the organizing committee for conducting this tournament very successfully, and also would like to thank the players who have contributed to this in this tournament. The final match in the double category was held between the teams of Alchem Minute 2, and the single category was between Alchem and Cachet. Okay, with this, now I would request Mr. Dubey to come here and give the prize to everybody. Sanjay ji. Dubey sir, जरा आइए ना. First of all, I would like to call about the teams of double category runner-up from LKU, Ravinder and Naveen. Okay. Single runner-up, Mr. Harish from Catchet. Winner. Winner in the category of single, Mr. Amit. Alchem 2. Alchem Unit. Now I would like to call forward the winner team of double category, Mr. Gaurav and Mr. Praveen. Dubey ji to say a few words.
Thank you, Madan sir. My dear friends, it's a privilege for me to be here, and especially, in fact, this was not known to me. Uh, this badminton tournament is going on there, and fortunately today, prize distribution ceremony was also there. So I am feeling privileged to become part of this. It's really nice to see Alchem Group together, and more especially when it's a sport or something related to that. See, we take care of health of all India. I should say all over world, not only India. But we have to be cautious, careful, and always careful about our own health. I think this is one of the good platform, and I would thank organizing committee, Mr. Mahajan, and all senior staff here at Baddi for organizing this kind of tournament, and that also especially in memory of our respectable Mrs. Chairman, and we know her inspiration and blessings is always behind all of us, and that's the reason we can see our growth in all areas, you can say, not only in our production operation, but in all fields. So I think this is good platform, and this kind of function tournament it should always be there, and it's very important to share our views, to discuss and to be more casual kind of. Formal, so we are always there. When we are in office, we are always formal. So it's a platform where we become little bit informal, little bit more open, without having any hesitation of grade, seniority or juniority. And it's a good place to mix up with each other. Of course, everything is going to add up to our performance. That's idea behind it. We have to be fresh enough, innovative kind of ideas, innovative kind of understanding. These are the important things. I'm really very happy being part of this, and I witnessed this, and I'm very thankful to all of you giving this opportunity to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dubey ji, for the kind and your motivating words. Now, just to tell you, this is the one tournament which we are conducting, and also we have the cricket matches. Also, we have amongst the group companies we play, and the tournament is going to start from 23rd itself, this Sunday itself. So, you are once again invited for the seeing the match if you are going to stay back, or for the final match as well. Now, thank you once again, the organizing committee and the group here. Thank you. Thank you very much.